Hello students. Today we want to implement star topology with a hub. The main purpose of this experiment is to demonstrate the broadcasting concept of hub. So for this experiment, first we need to have a hub which we can select from the network devices section. So from network devices section, under the hubs section, we can select a hub. After selection of a hub, we need to select a few computers. So from the end devices section, we can select some computers. So these are the 5 computers which we have selected. After selection of the computers, we need to establish the connections, and for that connections section is there. Because we are connecting computers with a hub in a star topology, we can use straight through cable connection, but I am using automatically choose connection type so that we can establish the connection in less time. So now the connections are established and we need to assign IP addresses to our computers. So select a computer from the desktop, IP configuration, you can assign IP address. I am assigning IP address something like 192.168.10.10 to computer PC0. Now PC1 192.168.10.11, PC2 192.168.10.12, PC3 192.168.10.13, and PC4 192.168.10.14. So from PC0 to PC4, the IP addresses are 192.168.10.10 to 192.168.10.14. So now the topology is completed. Now from PC0 we can test the connectivity to any other computer 192.168.10.14. So here you can see that the connectivity is properly established, and you can check the connectivity from any other computer to any other computer also. Now we want to demonstrate the broadcast concept of hub, and for that I am taking one simple PDU which I want to transmit from PC0 to PC3. I want to transmit a PDU from PC0 to PC3. Now we want to see the simulation. So from simulation mode, now I am playing the simulation, and as my simulation will be played, you will able to see that once a PDU is received by hub will broadcast that to all the other computers. Only PC3 will receive it. Rest of the computers PC1, PC2 and PC4 will discard it. After that PC3 will reply with a PDU to PC0. Again that will be received by hub will broadcast it. Again PC1, PC2 and PC4 will discard it, and only PC0 will accept it. So that you can see it. So PC0 to hub will broadcast, PC1, PC2 and PC4 will discard, PC3 has received and PC3 has replied. The reply is again broadcasted to all the computers, and now only PC0 has accepted, rest of the computers have discarded. So this is the demonstration of the broadcast concept of hub, which we can implement using a star topology. From the simulation panel, you can also see the list of events, time wise and the devices wise and the protocol wise. Again, from the simulation panel, under edit filters section, you can filter about information about which protocols you want to be displayed in the simulation panel. Thank you.